Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learning English Through News. Today we're talking about a serious train accident that happened in Spain. On Sunday evening, a terrible train crash happened in southern Spain. The time was exactly 7:45 in the evening. Two trains hit each other very hard. Many people were on these trains when the accident happened. After the crash, survivors talked about what they experienced. They said it felt like a nightmare. Nobody expected something so scary to happen during a normal train ride. People who were on the train described what happened in those frightening moments. One passenger said the train suddenly started shaking very badly. The shaking was so strong that everyone felt scared. Then, the train moved toward the track next to it. Everything happened so fast that passengers had no time to prepare. The force of the crash was incredibly powerful and changed everything in seconds. Inside the train cars, the impact threw people and their belongings everywhere. Passengers were tossed around like toys. Suitcases flew through the air and hit the walls and ceiling. Clothes fell out of bags and scattered all over the floor. Personal items went flying in every direction. The scene inside looked completely chaotic. Nothing stayed in its original place after the collision. Survivors used strong words to describe what they saw. One person said the scene was extremely horrifying. Another passenger said it was heartbreaking to see. People were crying and screaming. Some passengers were injured and needed help immediately. Others were in shock and couldn't believe what just happened. The sounds of metal crashing and people shouting filled the air. It was a moment nobody would ever forget. After the crash, emergency workers rushed to the scene to help. Ambulances arrived quickly to take injured people to hospitals. Firefighters worked hard to get people out of the damaged train cars. Police officers came to control the situation and keep everyone safe. Local residents also came to offer help and support to the victims. The community came together during this difficult time. Train accidents like this one remind us how important safety is. Trains carry thousands of people every day in Spain and around the world. Most train rides are safe and smooth, but when something goes wrong, the results can be devastating. Investigators will now study what caused this crash. They will look at the tracks, the signals, and the train equipment. Finding the cause will help prevent future accidents. The survivors will need time to recover from this traumatic experience. Some have physical injuries that require medical treatment. Others have emotional trauma that may last a long time. Seeing such a scary event can affect people's mental health. Many will probably feel nervous about riding trains again. Support from family, friends, and professionals will be very important for their healing process. This accident in Spain is a sad reminder of how quickly life can change. People got on the train expecting a normal journey. Instead, they faced a terrifying situation. We're thankful that many people survived. We hope the injured recover quickly, and we send our thoughts to everyone affected by this tragedy. Stories like this teach us to appreciate every safe journey we take. Thank you for learning English with me today through this important news story. Remember, reading and listening to real news is one of the best ways to improve your English skills. You learned words like collision, survivors, impact, chaotic, and devastating. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode with another interesting news story.